a kind of gratitude to the management, to the institution, and a kind of joy. At the same time, a sort of sadness also I could see on their faces. So I thank the former cabinet and congratulate them for all the success which they have done throughout the year, that they brought laurels to the institution. And at the same time, on behalf of the management, I wish all the best for the 10th class students to get good result, not only the result in their future life, that they may be successful. So now I congratulate the new leaders who have taken up this responsibility. This leadership is not to enjoy. This is God-given authority to you to serve. It is for the service. So the leader should be a model to all the other students. In all the areas, starting from the home. At home, you have to be obedient to your parents and you have to do all your works, especially the homework and at your studies. You should be punctual to the school. And you have to maintain your classes, the discipline part and taking part in all the activities. The leaders should be the first ones. And you have to help your teachers outside of the classroom, in the campus, in the classroom, and at home. By seeing you, the other children also will follow you. Now this responsibility is given to you. So you have to understand that the leadership is not for any sort of entertainment or enjoyment. It is you have to work hard and you have to do the service. So all these responsibilities are given to you children. So we are very happy with the new cabinet which is going to take up the responsibilities, and we wish you all the best and congratulate you. May God bless you all, will accompany with you. At the same time, I congratulate the staff, especially the games masters, PET Sars, Prem Reddy Sir, Krishna Sir, Bhargav Sir and Venkat Lakshmi teacher. So give them a big clap to all our staff. I also congratulate the parents. The parents are very happy by seeing their own children coming up like this. So children, once again, I remind you that your goodness should start from the home and you should be seen in the school and wherever you go. Be obedient to your parents. So all the best children. God bless you all.